Boys and girls, MGM Classic Cars here with this gorgeous 74 Plymouth Barracuda, just finished from the owners of a body shop in that plum crazy purple car. As you can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Beautiful American racing wheels. As you can see, the reflection on this paint is a mile deep. Listen to the exhaust. Mirror-like finish. Center console, automatic with the pistol grip added. Buckets, beautiful dash, back seat, tight headliner. Ready to go. It's got a 360 engine in it, power steering, power brakes, with a 727 automatic trans. Give us a call or text 847-848-1850.